Hey guys, it's Matt Smallbone with Forest River, Georgetown. I'm staying outside our 5 series, but all of our series come equipped with the NPS 6000 watt NPS generator. There are multiple ways you can start this generator. The easiest way is going to be on the outside here, which you can actually start and stop it from the outside. But then also you can remove this panel here, and there's actually a pull start here as well. So if you ever had a dead battery or anything like that, you could actually start the battery or start the generator from a pull start there. Okay, guys, so on the inside of the Georgetown, there is a couple ways you can start the generator as well. First and foremost, you will have a key fob that you can actually start and stop the generator from, but then you can also do it from your control system here. So from the home page, you're just going to actually press this electrical button, and then you'll see the gen stop button. You could start and stop it just right there too. This is also where you can set up all of your AGS system as well. So that's your auto gen start system. So you can have it set for time parameters, for quiet times, start at voltage, stop at voltage, and then you can also do it for gen runtime as well.